Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and this is our predictions video reaction. And yes, we have correctly predicted some of the English literature questions, and I just wanted to thank you all for the amazing feedback. As you can see from our YouTube comments, we have received fantastic feedback. Now the good news is, to those of you who study inspector calls, we did correctly predict the question on the inspector. So as you can see, this comment was left by a subscriber. They said, you are right. Inspector came up. Thank you for this prediction because I planned out an entire essay for the inspector, which is why I was able to write a whole essay on the inspector without waffling. So yes, we did predict either it will be a question on the inspector or Mrs. Burling, which both were correct. And it was amazing to see that you all, enjoyed answering that question. Not only that, to those of you who study EdXL, we did cover the conflict anthology, and we went over the predicted questions prior to the exam. And the good news is our predictions was correct. And as you can see from the highlighted region, if I just zoom in, we made some predictions and we predicted that there would be at least one of the four poems which may come up. So the first one being The Destruction of Sennacherib by Lord Byron. The second one, Extract from the Prelude. The third one, The Man He Killed. And the last one, The Class Game. And if you guessed, yes, the correct poem that did come up, it was A Class Game. And that was amazing, the fact that we got the conflict poem correct for the GCSE English exams. And I just wanted to thank you all for the continuous support. Do subscribe as we have plenty more exciting videos on the way. I know you all have GCSE English language taking place very soon on Thursday, I believe. And we are going to be doing plenty more videos in preparation for English language. So do let me know how your exams went for literature, and then we can talk about it in further detail. We are going to go live on YouTube throughout the exam season. If you haven't, do subscribe to our YouTube, Easy Education London. Our link is in the bio. So that is it for today's video. Do give our video a share. I am on TikTok live at the same time, but generally speaking, most of our content is on YouTube. So do subscribe to our YouTube, Easy Education London. We've got amazing cheat sheets, and we've got predicted papers that we are going to be going over. So thank you for watching, and I will be ending this YouTube.